the pile of hair that I just got off my little dog, Roxy. I groom my dogs, and every year, Roxy gets her annual haircut because she gets so hot here in the summer. What a mess. So she had a bath. There she is. Roxy, look how pretty you are. There she is. All clean and pretty with her little haircut. Oh, you're so pretty. She's still drying. Roxy, you're so pretty. And I always trim her tail I called her lion tail. Little pom-pom on it. Oh, you're so pretty. Yes, we'll get a better picture when you dry. Maggie. And this is my little one, Maggie. And she just had her bath. Thank goodness she has short hair. She doesn't really need to be, don't be so camera shy. She doesn't need to be cut, but she does shed. So I gave them both a bath. And this is what I use. Love this dog shampoo. It is called Pet Shampoo Nourishment Honey Almond. And it is the greatest stuff. And I guess it's by Dog Hoss. Anyways, so I use that on them. And then I conditioned their coats with this spray conditioning fragrance. And it just makes them smell good and supposedly reduces shedding. So that's one little task done. Okay, Roxy, we'll take a better look when you're all dry. She's being camera shy. She hates a bath. Yes, she does. And the other one, Maggie, loves a bath. Don't ya? Come here. Why are you guys being so camera shy? This one loves a bath. Maggie. She's like, leave me alone. Okay, I'll get pictures of you guys when you're all dry and pretty. Oh, there's Roxy's new haircut. Isn't she pretty? We are outside in the backyard. I got the pool light on. It looks so pretty. It's actually called Caribbean Blue, and I love the color of this pool. I got the doggies next door barking. Roxy, your haircut's so pretty. Look at you. Look at your lion tail. Maggie's out there barking in the yard. So tomorrow they're coming out and taking pictures of my house. And not this weekend, but the first weekend in May, the first Saturday, is my open house. And my house will officially be on the market. Hey, Roxy, look how pretty you are. It's a beautiful night. All right, we just got back from dinner. We went to On the Borders, had a really good Mexican dinner, and we're stuffed. And I've got to get inside and tidy up the house and do a little cleaning for tomorrow. So I'll let you know how it goes, and I'll take you on a walkthrough tour of my house, maybe on Wednesday, so you can see my entire house and how I am ready to get it on the market. Okay, love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now.